What's unacceptable to me is that trafficking is at an all-time high, especially here in the state of Texas. So now you have kids that are already removed from their families and their homes, regardless of the circumstances that got them into the CPS custody. We are entrusting that CPS and all the government agencies that are responsible to overlook our children and putting people in place that will do their jobs. The child said that she was trying to call her counselor that was overseeing the CPS worker that's overseeing her case, could not get a hold of her. So when the kids are endangered or feel like they're in a situation where they're unsafe, what are they supposed to do? The person that was supposed to be responsible for them is no longer responsible, or they cannot reach them. And then the other issue that I have is these kids, they're in hotels. They're in a hotel where anybody can walk in and out. Where's the supervision? Where's the security that's being put in place? So now you have a sex trafficker that can have access at any given time, that can put a child in an Uber and God knows where they're sending them or taking them to. Maybe making some money for them on the side. This is what's happening in our system. The system is broken. So we got to fix and amend the leaks that are in the system. Unacceptable. I, as a parent, if anything were to happen to my children, I'll be raising all kind of hell. Now you take the kids from their families for whatever reason that the kids end up in the system, and now the system itself is not doing their job properly. So where does that leave us? Where does that leave the kids? It's a broken system. It has to be fixed.
Yes, and I'm just going to say this again. Governor Abbott, you need to clean house. You need to get rid of them old no good jokers that's in Austin that's not doing what they're supposed to do. Them commissioners ain't worth 2 nickels smashed. No way that this should be happening on their watch. Governor Abbott, this shouldn't be even happening on your watch. Because again, y'all quick to not want to have women to have abortions and stuff and want to be able to take care of the kids. Then why are we not taking care of the kids that we got right here?
Wow.
This is what needs to happen. These kids should not be going through this. I've seen with my own eyes in CWAP locations around this state ain't no damn food. I've seen it. I exposed it. And I've been retaliated against for doing it. And I don't give a damn. Because somebody got to stand for these kids.
And these are our tax dollars.
And these are tax dollars. So what you doing with our money?
You know what's commendable is that the child was able to be within her right mind to walk to a place of safety, report it, and then fortunately the workers that were here contacted Dr. Matthews, but the child tried to contact her supervisor, counselor, that was caseworker that was over her, but couldn't reach her, to where she felt like she needed to escape because she was under duress. She walked across a highway. She could have been hurt and endangered, but fortunately the worker was able to, contact, and then we brought it to the light, and then all of a sudden now CWAP, CPS has custody of the child again. But what if it was too late?
She gonna run again.
Yeah, what if it was too late? So there's countless of children out there that is in the system that we need to protect.
And how can we protect the unprotected if they run around here letting these kids, letting these traffickers have access to them? That is CPS and HHSC job. I'm going to say this again. CPS job is to protect. HHSC job is to regulate. How is it that that's supposed to be regulated to the fact where that CWAP location is supposed to have security there? Okay? That CWAP location is supposed to be regulated just like you regulate a foster home. Anybody that come to that location is supposed to have background checks. You understand? Why is that not happening? Oh, it's because y'all are the ones doing it. So it's kind of like do as I say, not as I do. I don't think so. Not with our children in Texas, because we're going to get on your ass. And I mean it. Any questions?